How to chat with Chatgpt on your WhatsApp application. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you want to use Chatgpt using your WhatsApp application, how are you going to do it? Watch this video till the end and you will find out. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your WhatsApp application. Once you open the WhatsApp application, you need to tap on the plus sign. Once you tap on the plus sign, from here you need to select new contact. So once you select new contact, we need to add Chatgpt. Here is a new contact on your WhatsApp. So you need to select the country code, and that is United States. And then you need to enter the phone number, which is 800-242-8478. And as you can see, they say this person is already in your contacts because I already added it, but I'm doing this step just to let you know that how you can add Chatgpt as your contact, and you can name it Chatgpt. So once you name it, just tap on save and this contact will be added to your WhatsApp. So all you need to do is to go back because I already saved this one. All you need to do is to go to your contacts on WhatsApp and search Chatgpt. So once you search Chatgpt, as you can see, it is a business account and it is the official Chatgpt account. And here you can actually chat with Chatgpt on your WhatsApp application. As you can see, they sent you an auto reply, and then you can ask whatever you want to ask and chat with Chatgpt. So guys, this is how you can chat with Chatgpt on WhatsApp application. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.